Hello viewers, welcome to another project demo by Project Maker. This time I have not created any project, but I have created this video to show you the new features which I have integrated in my project Alexa. So before watching this video, if you have not watched this video of my project, please watch that video, otherwise you will not understand this video. I have provided the link of this video in description as well as in I button above. So now let's move to the destination folder to explore the new features I have integrated in my Aditi. So this is our destination folder, and as you can see I have changed the logo of Aditi, and I have also changed the name of this project from Alexa to Aditi. The new feature which I have added in my project Aditi is the face authentication feature, which will make my project unique as compared to all other virtual assistants present in market, such as Google, Siri, Alexa, etc. So let's talk about this feature. So basically it will try to recognize my face coordinates for 100 times, and if the face coordinate matches for only 5 times, it will give access to me. Else it will simply send an email to me that unauthorized user has tried to access me. But this time Aditi will also send the image of that malicious user to me. I will show you the screenshot of that email. So this is a screenshot of that email that Aditi sent me recently when an unauthorized user tried to access it. So this will increase the security of my application, and I can also take the right action against this malicious user. So now let's test the face authentication feature of Aditi. So I will just double click on this software.
Hello user. Performing face authentication. Please look at camera. Face recognition successful. Hello Aditi. Initializing system. Good morning. Current temperature is 23.6 degrees Celsius and the weather is clouds. Sir, do you wish to know your today's task? Listening.
No Aditi, I do not want to know my today's task.
Recognizing. I am ready for next command. Listening.
Aditi, can you activate sleeping mode?
Recognizing. Sleeping mode activated. You can activate me anytime.
So I have activated sleeping mode, and this was a face authentication feature of my project, which will identify my project uniquely. Now let's move to the next feature of our project. Let's move to the next feature of my project, which is chatbot mode. So this feature is very unique in my project because this feature gets activated automatically whenever my microphone is not accessible or I have disabled my microphone manually. So in this mode, it will simply open a pop-up in front of me to take the next command, and whenever I will execute the next command, it will simply behave in the similar way as it behaves whenever I give the command through voice, and we can perform every operations using this chatbot mode also. So I will disable my microphone in front of you, but doing so my recording would not get saved. So I will once again start the new recording in front of you without, and then disable the microphone and then talk with you through the text which are available on the screen.
I am activated. What's my next task? To whom you want to send mail? Choose file that you want to send. Sending email to Aditi within few moments. Finding and validating attachment. Attachment validated successfully. Now uploading attachment and sending email. This may take few minutes depending upon file size. Email successfully sent. I am ready for next command.
Our next feature is searching a file in entire system. So when I say I want to search a file to Aditi, it will simply open a pop-up in front of me and ask to write the file name along with extension. I have done this intentionally because I cannot speak the file name accurately along with the extension name. So let's explore this feature. I will deactivate sleeping mode.
I am activated. What's my next task? Listening.
Aditi, I want to search a file.
Recognizing. Please type the file name that you want to search along with extension.
So as you can see, a pop-up has appeared in front of me. I will just show you the file which I will be searching in the system. So the file is present in the pictures folder and the file extension is png and the file name is 1. So I will just type 1.png in the pop-up. So I will just open the virtual assistant and just write here as 1.png. And just click the search button, then it will search the file in entire system.
Searching file in your system. This may take few minutes. Till that time you enjoy some YouTube videos.
So as you can see, it has opened a YouTube video for me. This is the watch later video which I have stored in my account. So in this way I can watch this video and at the back end Aditi will search the file for me. And after file search gets completed, it will just show me the paths of that file which is available in my system. So let's move back to the virtual assistant. I will just close this window manually. As the Aditi searching file in my entire system, it will take some time. So I will just fast forward this video.
File found in system. Here's the path of that file. I am ready for next command. Listening.
Aditi, activate sleeping mode.
Recognizing. Sleeping mode activated. You can activate me anytime.
So as you can see, it has written me 3 paths. So the file 1.png is present in 3 folders of my system. Actually I was just expecting this, but it has written me 2 more paths. So in this way I can search any file present in my system just using this feature, and at the same time it will open my watch later YouTube video so I can watch that video. I will simply close this notepad file. So this was our file search feature. Now let's move to the next feature. The next feature is Instagram automator feature. I have already demonstrated this feature in previous video, but I have added a new thing in it. The new thing is that whenever I want to open Instagram, it will ask me for how much time do you want to use Instagram. So after that, if I say 30 seconds, then it will open the Instagram for me and set a timer for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds gets completed, it will simply close the window automatically. This feature will reduce my social media time and I can invest more amount of time to do productive things. Now let's move to the demonstration of this feature. So I will deactivate sleeping mode.
I am activated. What's my next task? Listening.
Aditi, I want to use Instagram.
Recognizing. For how much time do you want to use Instagram? Listening.
Aditi, I want to use Instagram for 30 seconds.
Recognizing. Opening Instagram. I am setting timer for 30 seconds.
So as you can see, it has opened Instagram for me and also set the timer for 30 seconds. So let's wait for 30 seconds to see the output. It will close this window automatically. Let's like some post. "30 seconds might get completed any time."
30 seconds are completed. Now I am activated as your time is up. I am ready for next command. Listening.
Aditi, can you activate sleeping mode?
Recognizing. Sleeping mode activated. You can activate me anytime.
So as you see, it automatically closed the Instagram screen. This feature is very helpful for the people who are addicted to social media. So now let's move to the next feature. Our next feature of this project is YouTube player. So in this feature I will just say that I want to watch this video, so it will directly open and play that video for me. So now let's explore this feature. I will deactivate Aditi once again.
I am activated. What's my next task? Listening.
Aditi, I want to watch Code with Harry latest video.
Recognizing. These are the results from YouTube.
If you want to
I am
sell
ready for next
online,
command. Listening.
Aditi, can you activate sleeping mode?
Recognizing. Sleeping mode activated. You can activate me anytime.
So as you can see, it has opened the latest video of Code with Harry. So this was the feature of YouTube player, and in the similar way I can open any other video also. So now let's move to the next feature of our project. So our final feature is funny interactions with Aditi. So now let's explore this feature.
I am activated. What's my next task? Listening.
Aditi, will you be my girlfriend?
Recognizing. Sorry. I can't be your girlfriend as I am already engaged with your machine.
Shit.
I am ready for next command. Listening.
Aditi, but I love you.
Recognizing. I love you too. But as a friend. What's my next task? Listening.
Aditi, but I thought you would marry me in future.
Recognizing. Sorry, I cannot marry you. Because I am just few lines of code. And not a girl. In fact, I suggest you to create your account on any matrimonial site. So that you can find your life partner. Here's a sample matrimonial site for you. But to be very honest, I don't think that any girl would marry you after viewing your profile, as no one will like your face. I am ready for next command. Listening.
Aditi, can you stop my insult and close this window?
Recognizing. I am ready for next command. Listening.
Aditi, can you activate sleeping mode?
Recognizing. Sleeping mode activated. You can activate me anytime.
So these were the all features which I have integrated in my Aditi. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe for more such amazing features in Aditi. Thanks for watching this video.